Happy morning, dear children. How are you all? Welcome back to your English class. Today we will learn about something very new and something very strange, कुछ अजीब सा. So, our poem 13, Curious Town by Harindranath Chattopadhyay. First, we will quickly go through the summary, means the central idea of the poem. In the poem, the poet describes about a town which is very strange and everything is beyond imagination. In this poem, the poet has described that the town is very strange. उसमें कुछ अजीब सी बात है. पूरा टाउन बहुत ही अजीब सा है. It is beyond our imagination, means जैसा हमने सोचा ना हो वैसा कुछ अजीब इस टाउन के बारे में है. So now we will go with the stanza wise explanation of this poem. Okay? Stanza 1. I have arrived at curious town. The poet has arrived at a curious town which is painted with curious hues. और यहाँ पे जो टाउन है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्यूरियस है, मीन्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा अजीब सा है. एंड द कलर्स ऑफ दिस टाउन आर वेरी स्ट्रेंज. Curious hues means strange colors. And there the kitten barks and barks. Kitten means the young ones of cat. वो यहाँ पे म्यू करने के बदले the kitten is barking and the puppy mews and mews. और जो puppy है, जो dog का young one है, वो बार्क करने के बदले he is mewing. वो म्यू कर रहा है. Stanza number 2. And there the frog climbs up a tree. यहाँ पे मंकी के बदले फ्रॉग जो है वो ट्री को क्लाइंब कर रहा है. And crooks in a curious way. And जो फ्रॉग की आवाज़ है वो भी बहुत अजीब है, मीन्स वो भी किसी और एनिमल या किसी और बर्ड की आवाज़ मिमिक कर रहा है, वो अपनी आवाज़ नहीं निकाल रहा. Prepare for a shower of pelting ice. It is going to hail today. And get ready for the shower of ice which will fall very heavily. यहाँ पर बारिश की बूंदों के बदले आइस के बड़े बड़े पीसेस जो हैं वो बरसने वाले हैं. So get ready for the pelting ice, means falling heavily, the ice that will fall heavily today. Stanza number 3. And there the river flows with fire. There the rivers are not of water. वहाँ पे जो rivers हैं वो आग की बनी हुई है, means the fire is flowing instead of the water. The volcano is packed with dew. And यहाँ पे volcanoes लावा के और आग के बदले नम है, means वहाँ पे dew drops हैं. Okay, the volcano is very moist. The hues of the rainbow are more than 7 over here. As you all know, rainbow में 7 colors होते हैं, but यहाँ पे rainbow में 7 से ज़्यादा colors हैं. You can see the meanings over here. Hues means colors and volcano, a mountain with a large opening at the top through which gases and lava are forced out. Dear children, I hope you are here with me and you are enjoying the poem, the strangeness of the poem. And there you can see a most curious sight. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ और भी क्यूरियस दिखेगा, कुछ और भी अजीब दिखेगा, विच इज़ बियॉन्ड योर इमेजिनेशन. यू विल सी विच कैन मेक अ डेड क्रो रोर. अगर आप ये क्यूरियस साइड किसी मरे हुए क्रो को भी दिखाओगे तो वो भी जाग जाएगा, एंड वो अपनी आवाज़ निकालने के बदले इट विल रोर लाइक अ लॉयन. The asses who roam have only 2 legs. यहाँ पे विलेज में जो डोंकीज हैं उनके जो लेग्स हैं उनके पास 2 हैं. Animals like asses means like donkeys, they have 4 legs to walk. But over here the asses have 2 legs, okay, like human beings. While the men who walk have 4. Men means human beings. उनके पास ऐसे तो they have 2 legs and 2 hands. But in this poem we find a very strange sight where the men means the human beings are walking on 4 legs. This is so strange. Have you imagined like if you will walk on 4 legs? No, na? Imagine it for a moment and tell me how you feel. Roam. Roam means to walk around an area without a definite aim. ऐसे ही टहलना, ओके? हम भी कभी कभी घर पे टहलते हैं ना, विदाउट एनी एम. हमें कहीं जाना नहीं होता है, हमें बस वॉक करने में मजा आता है, राइट? Stanza number 5. I have arrived at curious town. The poet is in the curious town, which is marked with curious marks, where everything is very curious, everything is very weird, very strange. It is beyond our imagination. And there the puppy mews and mews. The puppy, instead of barking, it is mewing. And the kitten barks and barks. And the kitten who has to mew like meow, it is barking. So strange, right? Dear children, here we are done with our poem Curious Town. And now it's time for work from home. हमें घर पे क्या करना है? Write the summary and new words from my dictionary. From your textbook, you have to write the summary as well as the new words from your textbook. But before that, go through the poem. It is very strange and I know you will enjoy it. Make sentences on the basis of the new words given in my dictionary. All the meanings which are there in your dictionary, you have to write the sentences as well. You have to make the sentences by your own. And send the photo shot after completing the above given work from home. Do send me a photo shot as and when you are done with it. Okay, dear children, I will see you next time with a fresh lesson of English. Till then, go through the poem, enjoy the weirdness of the poem and imagine a town beyond imagination. God bless you, dear children. Bye.